kanina na matapos yung real world manipulation. Pero sa tagal nun at yung kagandahan ng positioning dito ng Metacore Purse, mukhang hirapan talaga sila. It's now all the tier 2 turrets that has already been destroyed. So now the side of LBD, they're gonna be forced to be in their own bases. So this will just be quarantine for the meantime lang. Antayin lang natin yung right timing. Sabi dito, they're gonna pop in every blast of every turret. Patungo na dito yung mga minions from mid and bottom lane in 17 seconds bago mag-spawn ang ating Lord Tupas.
Parang masyadong malalim ngayon, pero sabi nila may real world manipulation naman na pa-flicker. Etong si Aidid sasayawan, in-ejector ng kakampi, men. Pero mukhang hindi na nga enough just to sustain his life. Kapalit ang buhay niya, Blazing Duet. Huli dun sa bandang likod, si Tanjiro, mapapa-flicker. Nandito si Hooded, men. Hinahampas, hinagis pabalik. Tatlo ang tumba. Si Aidid lang ang magiging kapalit for the side ng Metacore Purse.
Hindi tumama yung EG boy. Ngayon, Palma. The only ones to defend this is Tanjiro and Vin1. Ngayon, he will jump in. Tier 3 turret in despair. Canyoneo will now revive, will now respawn. Metacore Purse will not pursue to push down this middle lane. Palma, tinipihan lang. Uy, inasar lang ni Palma. Spots down the positioning. Nandito yung Lord, low on HP. Yung dalawa, kinakapon yung kabayo sa bandalikuran. Glorious pathway to find a run. And this time, he will find his own way of escape. Real world manipulation. Ang ganda ng positioning ginagawa doon. Hans God will already go down for the count. Canyoneo susunod. And low on HP. Pero yung Retri, mapupunta pa rin dito free sa Metacore Purse. And now, EG Boy will be trapped. Pero patay na si Andre. And the ball yung call. And Metacore Purse, si Vin1 hindi makauwi. I repeat, si Vin1 hindi makauwi. May minions pa.
Hinahatid, boss.
Vin1, wag kang magpahatid dyan. Oh my God. Kaya pa ba ni Tanjiro? Nandito na si Hans God. Canyoneo.
Dito muna ulit.
And they find the ending. Nandito na ulit yung kabayo, tsaka yung malaking tao. Pero nandito yung mga minions mabilis na nakiklear dito ng LBD. Vin1 nakauwi na rin. Nakauwi na ang aming team.
Boss, walang sundo. Naglakad pa uwi eh. Wala yung school service. Kaya ngayon, may Lord na kasama. Kumpleto na magkabilang teams. Now, is this gonna be the end game? Masisweep nga ba ng Metacore Purse ang LV Dragons? Is this gonna be the final Lord na kinakailangan nila, Andre? Kamutikan pang mahuli ng mga members ng Metacore Purse. Is this gonna be it, Dion?
Ito na yung Lord, real world manipulation din dapat sa bandalikuran. And of course, kinokontrol lang. Pero yung Crystal, low on HP, matatapos na pre. And Metacore Purse, sila yung makakauna sa pagkuha ng slot dito sa Group A.
What a clean performance, back-to-back game. Yes, indeed. Huge shoutouts sa 150 plus viewers out there watching here. Metacore Purse, ladies and gentlemen, dominating this game number 2 once again, 16-4. And grabe yung maging performance ng buong koponan nila. Team effort, I would say, ang pinakita nila dahil hindi pwedeng malakas ang isa. Kailangan 5 sila laging magkakasama.
Is indeed true. Well, that concludes the game of LBD and Metacore Purse. Metacore Purse will be the ones to be first in entering from the Group A to the top 8 teams. And of course, huwag kayong umalis. There's still Ascend versus LBD. And we'll be right back after a short break.